Hi everyone, it's Amani from Common App. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of applying to college with Common App. Common App helps students apply to college by making the process simpler because you only need to use one system to apply to multiple colleges. This video will walk you through the first year Common App from start to finish, from creating your account to submitting your application. This is the version of the Common App you'll use if you're looking to enroll for the first time. If you're looking to transfer earned credits from another college, you'll use Common App for transfer instead. There's a walkthrough of the transfer application linked in the description. Let's get started. Starting on commonapp.org, select the Create an Account button. This will take you to the account creation. You'll land on this Let's Get Started page where you'll find a couple of different options. Select First Year Student and enter your information to create an account. Start with My Common Application. The information you enter here will go to every college you apply to, so you'll only need to fill it out once. And you may get opportunities based on your answers in this section, like scholarship matches or direct admissions offers, before you even apply. I won't walk through every question here, but I do want to talk about a couple things. First, the Common App fee waiver. Colleges want to make sure that application fees do not create a barrier for any student. If you qualify for a fee waiver based on the criteria listed, make sure you select yes here. You'll need to provide a signature, and then you won't have to pay a fee to submit your application. Regardless of whether you qualify for a fee waiver or not, Common App has over 500 colleges that don't charge an application fee. You can find those colleges using the filters on College Search. I also want to talk about the writing section just for a second. Some colleges require a personal essay with your application. You can submit a personal essay to any college, even if it's not required. There are 7 prompts to choose from. Make sure you check out Jen and Emma's video breaking down each essay prompt to learn more. I'll link that in the description. College Search is where you can find colleges and add them to your list. Common App has over 1,100 colleges to choose from. You can search by college name, location, or use additional filters to find the right match for you. Select the Add button to add a college to your list. You can select the college name to learn more about them, or you can explore colleges at commonapp.org. You can add or remove colleges at any time, so it's normal for your list to change. If you don't know where you want to apply yet, that's okay. You can still make progress on your application in the meantime. Now I'm going to jump over to the dashboard. Your dashboard helps you track your progress on your common application questions. It also has all the colleges you've added to your list and statuses of each application. This is also where you can find all your deadlines. Deadlines won't appear until you select a term and admission plan for each college on your list. Once you select those, you can use your dashboard to track your deadlines and confirm when you've submitted your applications and any supplements. My Colleges is where individual colleges will ask some additional questions. Questions that appear here will be different from school to school. This is also where you'll invite your counselors, teachers, and any other recommenders. Before you can do so, you'll have to fill out the FERPA release authorization. The Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, or FERPA, regulates the privacy of student education records. This is where you give your high school permission to share your information with the colleges you apply to. This is also where you can waive or not waive your right to review recommendations submitted on your behalf. This step of the application includes lots of helpful information, so read carefully before you continue. After completing these questions, you'll be able to invite your recommenders. Once you've finished answering questions and inviting and assigning your recommenders, the final step is to review and submit your application. You do this here in My Colleges. You'll have the chance to review your entire application and make edits if needed. If the college has an application fee, you'll pay that or skip it if you have a fee waiver. Paying the application fee does not submit your application. Once you've submitted your payment or fee waiver, you'll review some affirmations and then sign and date your application. When you see confetti, congratulations, you did it. You've officially applied to college. Remember, if you get stuck, we're here to help. Our support team is available 24/7, 365 days a year at commonapp.org/help. That's it for me today. Thank you so much for walking through the application with me. Follow us here on YouTube. We'll be here providing more college application tips and resources. Now you're ready to get started. You've got this.